Here is the RoverTac Multitool. It has a knife with a serrated edge, a bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver, a can opener, and a pair of scissors. It also has a flint and steel that fit into this little spot, and the flint and steel has a whistle on it. Everything came fairly sharp out of the box for me. Cuts right through this envelope. And the knife also has a lock, so it won't fold down on you when you're cutting. And it folds up nice and tight with a belt loop holder. And you also put it in the sheath that it came with. It also has a belt holder on it.